So you're thinking about using AI to cut machine downtime? Here's how it works. In manufacturing, unplanned downtime costs millions. But what if your machines could tell you they're about to break down before they actually do? AI-powered downtime analysis and maintenance transforms reactive repairs into proactive prevention. It starts by collecting operational data, sensor readings, maintenance logs, equipment history, and your team's tribal knowledge about how things actually break down. Then AI analyzes the data in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies human eyes might miss. The Praxie Smart Data Grid indexes all of the data sources and team knowledge. Then AI agents continuously monitor and generate insights. When a critical anomaly is detected, the system automatically triggers alerts and recommended actions. And AI never sleeps or takes a break. It monitors your equipment and trend data, learning from every data point and becoming smarter and more accurate over time. The results can be amazing: 25% reduction in mean time to repair, 15% increase in overall equipment effectiveness, and elimination of 50 hours of monthly time spent on manual data correlation. AI downtime analysis can help you stop reacting to breakdowns and start preventing them.